Alright, so today we'll be installing the AFE cold air intake. You can see it all there. I probably won't do a step-by-step, but I'll just take stuff apart and take video as I go. And then we'll take it for a test drive and see how it runs. So in the box we have instructions. That's most likely the filter, intake tube, hardware. I'm not even going to use that, but that's what it comes in the box. Alright, so pretty much I took off the cover, disconnected that, disconnect that tube as well, and now we will loosen that part up so we can take out the air box. There's a bolt here. I think that's it, and it should slide right out. Alright, so that was actually pretty easy. Gotta remove that bolt. That was simple, that just pulled the whole thing out. Alright, so that I had to install because this thing, to line it up there, for that part, I had to take this part from the OEM box. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, it took a few minutes, but housing is installed. There we go. Alright, progress update. Intake tube installed. Hose, sensor. All I need left is the intake itself, intake filter, and should be done. And then of course put on the cover. Install complete. Alright, no check engine lights or anything, so it looks like all the sensor tubes are fine. Let's go take it to a test drive to see how it sounds. Just casually driving here through the neighborhood, it doesn't really feel any different. Wait to see if we can get it onto the main road. Okay, I couldn't really step on it too much there because I don't have that much distance, but it does have a little more of a push. But overall, it's nothing major. Put it in sport mode. Okay, definitely sounds louder. Installed AFE cold air intake. Is it worth it? I don't know. Probably not, but you know, it does give it a good little pull, so it's all good.